Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sainte Marie local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire a cheap Sainte Marie moving company, you need 3 Movers. Our team of local and long-distance movers will make sure you get the help you need. We know how to make sure your relocation is much easier. With us, you get all the right services, and we can even take care of both residential and commercial moves. Our long-distance moving services give you plenty of options to make it easier to move across the country and include packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We offer plenty of options when you need to relocate across the country or to the next city over. Our long-distance movers offer all the help you truly need. If you want a stress-free move, hire us. With the right Canada Moving Company, you get an easier local move. If you try to go at it yourself, you might end up overwhelmed in a hurry. Moving is a lot of work, no matter how far you're going. 3 Movers offers the best options for your upcoming local move. We provide plenty of options to make your move simple and convenient. A move that might take you 3 days, we finish in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sainte Marie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.